Alhamdulillah, we have done our 2-day workshop on finalizing the strategic planning. I think the main objective of this strategic planning is actually to finalize, what we are going to do for the next 2 years, for 2025, 2026, and maybe this strategic planning also can be expanded until 2030. And inshallah, with all the input that was given by all the participants, especially the champions, the top management of the universities, is actually a very objective way forward that we are going to achieve for the next few years. And Alhamdulillah, the one they already planned, some of it is already in progress, some already is actually in pipeline to be implemented, and maybe another thing is actually going to be done by all the champions. And the commitment from the top management, especially the rector, on this 2 days workshop is actually very significant to us in OSIC, in implementing this strategic planning, because we believe that this commitment shows their commitment in achieving what we need to achieve for the next few years in the university's way forward.
For 2 days, on Friday and Saturday, the IIUM management at various levels, from the UMC, the University Management Committee, to the senior officers, senior academics, we discuss this subject, which is very important, the question of strategic plan. The strategic plan for 2025-2026, based on our new vision of Tawhidi epistemology, our ummatic excellence mission. And guided by that, we talk a lot of issues pertaining to the performance, progress, and of course the sense of direction, the direction in which we'll be taking the university. I'm very happy at the standard of the quality of discussion. The members who participated were very spirited. Many ideas to contribute. So the weekend, or the 2 days workshop, has proved to be a very, very useful occasion for the various levels of managers of management to bring about, to solve problems, in a rather different, quiet setting and peaceful setting. Something which the university management has not been able to have for quite some time. So Alhamdulillah, I think the workshop has proved to be very, very useful to the university.